Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, select System. Following that, tap on Language and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and SwiftKey Keyboard. Now click on Typing and access Typing and Autocorrect section. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones, or scroll all the way down, click on one of those options and pick the best option for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!